Hi, hello everyone, and thanks for coming and visit my channel. This is Yuka from Japan, and today I am thinking about drawing my original illustration. This one is the illustration I drew last year, and today what I will try is drawing the same girl. So some of the tools I use for today's illustration is those. I love to use this G pen. This is known for the most typical tool for a lot of manga artists here in Japan would use for their art creation. And also, I will be using this Maru pen to create much finer and detailed lines. So I'm really excited about how this video would be like. So let's just get started. You see the illustration last year, the balance of the art, it's not coming in the actual center of the whole piece. So this year, I think I've improved this part. I can draw the illustration very center of the paper. And as the first thing I will do when I do sketch is like drawing the center line, which is the very center of the illustration, and then trying to consider which part of the body comes to where in the whole, how can I say, canvas. Like the center of the canvas is here, so the face is better coming around here, and then consider, oh no. You're gonna be drawing the lines, like guidelines, how the illustration you wanna be making and the body constructor, how you want the character to pose. I am thinking maybe this girl this time is holding her glasses in front of her eyes, like this. Okay, this is kind of the basic line, and then I will be doing much detailed work, like drawing eyes and hairs and much detailed lines. Now I am done with my sketching process. I'm not sure if I can duplicate well with this woman into this woman. Now I will be tracing this sketch and doing inking process. Okay, I am thinking starting with drawing hairs with this Maru pen. Like I mentioned, it really allows you to draw more detailed lines. This illustration I drew last year, all of the lines with G pen. But this year, I just wanna explore something more different. I just wanna show you how much I improved by all of the practices that I did by replication practices. Use both of the pen and see how much this illustration turned out differing to the last year. Let's just get started. Sakura Sketch Japan is an interactive facility where people can enjoy both manga culture and Japanese culture. While our main activity is creating manga-style illustrations using the same tools that professional manga artists use. In this session, participants create manga-style illustrations under the guidance of a Japanese illustrator. Even beginners can enjoy this activity as I provide step-by-step instructions and practice worksheets. By the end of the session, everyone will have created their very own manga-style illustration. Participants also have the chance to cook traditional Japanese dishes completely enjoyed in Japanese households. In addition to gyoza, I am also planning to offer other dishes such as takoyaki and norimaki. I will be using this G pen to draw much thicker lines with her hands and glasses. I actually have to admit that I wanted to draw the black, I don't know, the gray area if I will explain in this girl's outfit. I accidentally put a lot of shadows on her hair as well as her face, so I needed to have much blacks to have much balance into the whole piece, but I'm not sure if it goes well. But I never plan to give up this illustration to make it one of the masterpiece of my gallery. Trying to fix it. It's actually never looked that bad so far. I think I can well fixing all of this. Okay, from now I will be adding some of shadows into the hair before I will put some screen tone. I feel like I need to add a bit more black to make a balance of the whole illustration. I'm not sure if it goes well, but at least I have to try. What do you think? I feel like it goes really well. And now I will be putting some of white when it's necessary, and After putting some of white, I will be finally getting light into the process of putting some screen tones. Now I will be putting screen tones into her hair. Now I am done with drawing the girl who I drew last year. I tried to capture the same girl into this year's illustration, but I think I actually failed to put this girl, same girl into this girl, but I feel like I can draw beautiful girl, so that is just okay. Personally, I love this girl. She's so pretty, but I also like one like this one, so it is just okay. At least I can show some of the techniques that I learned, and I proved myself that I was a good artist. It was so fun. I hope you liked this video, and if you wanna watch video like this, please send me some comments. So I have to wrap up this video today. I hope you have fun. I hope I can see you in the next video. So thank you so much. Bye.